Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. My name is Amina Saqifa and in today's episode I'm gonna teach you how to create a glittery glam look. Let's get started. My first step is to spray Parsley Skin Mist to give my face a nice glow. Next is Smashbox Photo Finish Primer to give my makeup a flawless base. After that is the Urban Decay Naked Skin Color Corrector to hide my dark circles and to correct my pigmentations. Then I'm blending it with my beauty blender. Now I'm using my absolute favorite Huda Beauty foundation and an extra tip. This is the best foundation for full coverage. Blend well. As I always say, blending is the key to a perfect look. As you can see, I'm using my most favorite Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to conceal and brighten my under eyes, my forehead, nose and my chin. Oops, I accidentally started blending before contouring. That's fine, we can fix it. Let's start contouring now. I use Smashbox Skin Shaping Foundation to contour my face. Now blend it all evenly. Hope you guys are having fun. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. I am blending really well to get rid of all harsh lines. By now, I think you got the hang of blending. So now let's move to baking. I'm using Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Powder to set my concealer. After a few minutes, dust off excess powder with a powder brush. It's brow time! I used Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade to fill and shape my brows. Next, I use Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel to set my brows. Let's get started with our eyes. I use the Morphe Jacklyn Hill palette. Use a light brown shade for the base and then a darker shade on your crease. Try to blend it with darker shade to get a smoky kind of look. Now I am using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry palette for its shimmery golden eyeshadow. To get a brown liner, I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade again. Next, I use Anastasia Beverly Hills Glitter Adhesive and NYX Glitters. This is the best bit. I'm gonna apply my Baby Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara. Next, I use the Benefit Cheekleader's Bronze Squad palette for the bronzy effect. Next is the Makeup Forever highlighter for a beautiful glow. Finally, the famous Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick in Bombshell. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it. If so, then like, comment and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn on the bell notifications.